How to replace the master window switch on a 2013 to 2019 Ford Fusion. So what you want to do is get a little tiny flat blade screwdriver. And what I do, I just go right between this trim panel and the door panel. Just right between there, and just kind of pry on it and just work its way through. Because you'll have a little metal retaining tabs. Don't think I can show up right there. There's a little metal tab there. You want to pry up on it, and you just want to kind of work around it. I'll have to use two hands to do it. Alright, so that's as far as I got so far. You can see there's going to be a tab up here, tab there, and you got one in the back over here. Now what I just do, I just pry up onto it. Usually takes two hands to do it. I'm trying to use one hand while pulling up on it. Then this whole thing will come off. You have one wire connector. You just push this tab in while pull out. So if you didn't see that, this little tab here, just push that in and you unplug it. Alright, to remove the actual window switch off the bezel, all you'll need is a T10, and you'll have 3 T10 screws holding it. One here and 2 there. So go ahead and remove those 3. Alright, now you get your new window switch, and you go ahead and put it in. The part with the mirrors, unlock on there, or child window lock, that all goes in this big part here. So you see what it looks like? So it just goes just like that. It's all lined up in the holes, and go and put your 3 screws back into place. Alright, now you are ready to install it on your vehicle. Alright, so what you first want to do is go ahead and get plugged in. This connector only goes in there one way. Alright, and it only goes in there one way again. Work from one end of it. Just gonna push it all in. You'll hear it all snap into place. And that's all to it. Test the functions, make sure they all work the way they should. The mirrors, child locks. There you have it, is how to replace the master window switch on a 13 to 19 Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching.